water heater here. I think this is around 900 and some, close to 1,000. This is a 199,000 BTU water heater. Runs on liquid propane. It will. The reason I got this, it'll heat 10 gallons per minute. I don't know what delta is on that though. Alright, so let's get this thing installed. If I were doing this and I already had this heater, I would have hung the heater and then did this, but I did it this way. It's sort of based on where this is at because that's the power. So I put this above that so it wouldn't cover it up. That was a mistake because this and these two vertical dimensions not going to work out. But all I really need to do is cut those two loose, and then I'll have to cut these two loose. But I want it to come straight down, so you know it's the least amount of work. So I need to keep this in the same location. I got to keep this pipe in the same location horizontally and just move it vertically so that I don't have to put any elbows in these two pipes or these two pipes. And this pretty much just simplifies the whole thing. It's not perfectly aligned from the factory. This is a little bit, see, so it's not parallel. It's not a big deal, but so actually I guess the water heater's just built to go, or the setup's made so that board just kind of goes up next to the water heater. This makes everything simple though. And I don't want to undo all this stuff because I've already pressure tested all these fittings and everything. I don't want to disturb that. So if I came in there right now, I'd probably be hitting right almost where this thing is, this coupler. So I'm going to raise it up an inch. Well, look at that. That wasn't even, well, good news. Good news. That means I can tie in right there. I don't think that joint didn't have any flux on it. Man, glad I did this. Woo! Alright, so that means I can just tie in right here. That's my point then. That's what I'll do. Okay, so I've got it up there temporarily. It's just tacked. I don't have it. I gotta plumb it up, but that's lining up my air horizontal way. So this side's a little bit high, obviously, but that's gonna line up. That pipe's lining up perfectly already. So now all I've got to do is cut these two off, get a coupling, solder this, clean that up, solder it back together, tie these back together, that'll be okay. But first I guess I need to mount this water heater. So I can mount the water heater in relationship to this now. And I'll know exactly where I gotta put it. Put a ledger board right there. And see how that works. You bust a gut carrying this thing. Damn. It's on that flange. Woo! Okay. We gotta get another screw. Alright. So I got that one tied. Not enough room. Okay. I'm tired. I love it when a plan comes together. I haven't glued this or anything. It's just pushed on up here. Can't get far enough away. Ooh, battery's about to go dead. So I got everything dropped down. I still got to put that back together, but it's no big. When I put the water heater up here, this was okay. So I put that back. I used this to line that up, or I used that to line this all up. Put that up there, put the water heater up. But this one, I had to undo this because it wasn't fitting just right, and it got moved that way. So it was a little bit past this. No matter what I did, I couldn't get it to work, so I had to had to split this, put a coupler in there, and then obviously I had to do a coupler for the vertical distance. So a little extra step. Not well. It was kind of a headache, honestly. It took me all day to do this, but hopefully now it's tied in, and turn the water on here pretty quick. I ordered the filter yesterday, so this hard water will screw up these instantaneous water heaters. So the filter should get here next week. I'll show you that too, and I don't know if we'll test this or not. I have to think about this. There won't be any power out here anyhow, so I will probably just hold off on that. But anyway, vents are connected. Plumbing's connected on the radiant floor heat. I did have to cover up that one plug, so I'm going to move that down here. Probably already showed this anyway. This plug right here is covered up now. I'll probably have to use this as a junction box because I gotta go. Actually, there's a screw coming out right there. I need to put some structure up there for that to tie to, really. Same goes with the water heater. It's coming in right here. I need to put a 2x4 back there. So I'll move that box down here, from here to here, and we'll be good to go.